Welcome to Auto World, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in the automotive industry. Today, we're taking an exclusive look at the all-new 2025 Lincoln Aviator, a luxury SUV that combines elegant design, advanced technology, and powerful performance into one sophisticated package. The 2025 Lincoln Aviator debuts with a refreshed and refined exterior, featuring a bold front grille with a signature illuminated Lincoln emblem, sleek LED headlights, and a sculpted body that enhances its aerodynamics. The redesigned front and rear bumpers add a modern touch, while new wheel designs and color options give drivers more ways to personalize their Aviator. Whether cruising through the city or heading out on a long highway drive, the Aviator commands attention with its sophisticated presence. Step inside, and you're immediately surrounded by Lincoln's signature quiet luxury. The cabin is crafted with premium materials, including soft leather, real wood accents, and brushed metal finishes, all designed to create a first-class experience for both driver and passengers. Ambient lighting sets the perfect mood, while the expansive panoramic sunroof adds to the open and airy feel of the interior. The redesigned dashboard features a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a stunning 13.2-inch infotainment touchscreen, offering crystal-clear graphics and an intuitive interface. Comfort is a priority in the 2025 Aviator. The available 30-way perfect position front seats provide heated, ventilated, and massage functions, ensuring a relaxing ride no matter the journey. Rear passengers are also treated to luxurious seating, with available captain's chairs and climate control features that make long trips more enjoyable. The spacious three-row layout offers versatile seating and cargo configurations, with the powerful third-row seats allowing for easy expansion of storage space. Whether you're carrying passengers or packing up for an adventure, the Aviator adapts to your needs effortlessly. Under the hood, the 2025 Aviator offers impressive performance with its twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine, producing up to 400 horsepower and 415 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a smooth shifting 10-speed automatic transmission, the Aviator delivers responsive acceleration and refined driving dynamics. For those seeking an electrified option, the Grand Touring plug-in hybrid model combines the power of a twin-turbo V6 with an advanced electric motor, providing both increased efficiency and exhilarating performance. With Lincoln's adaptive air glide suspension, the Aviator delivers an ultra-smooth ride by adjusting to road conditions in real time, ensuring comfort on every journey. Technology plays a central role in the Aviator, enhancing both convenience and safety. The latest version of Lincoln's Blue Cruise 1.2 allows for hands-free driving on compatible highways, making long road trips more effortless than ever. Additional driver assist features include adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system, providing extra confidence behind the wheel. The Lincoln Digital Key transforms your smartphone into a key, allowing you to lock, unlock, and even start your Aviator without needing a physical key fob. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity, while the available Revel Ultima 3D audio system delivers an immersive sound experience that makes every drive feel like a private concert. Practicality meets luxury with the Aviator's flexible cargo space and intelligent storage solutions. The hands-free power liftgate makes loading and unloading a breeze, while multiple USB ports, wireless charging, and premium interior storage compartments keep passengers connected and comfortable. Whether you're commuting daily or planning a weekend getaway, the Aviator provides the space, technology, and comfort to elevate every journey. The 2025 Lincoln Aviator represents the perfect balance of power, elegance, and cutting-edge technology. It's a vehicle designed for those who appreciate luxury without compromise, offering an unparalleled driving experience in the midsize luxury SUV segment. With its refined aesthetics, innovative features, and commanding performance, the Aviator continues to set new standards in its class. What do you think about the all-new Lincoln Aviator? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Auto World, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth automotive reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.